Alright, we're in the MXM 190. I've been keeping it here at this hay shed to get a load of hay every week for the cows. And she hasn't been starting very good lately. I have a can of ether here for just in case. But it could probably use one of them gear reduction starters to really crank her over quick, because that's what it needs. It's more cranking amps to get her turning over faster. So we'll see what she does. I'll check the fuel here. Of course, see what happens. Well, it started right up that time. It should have. Almost 50 degrees or somewhere around that alley. And I guess it needs a hydraulic screen cleaned out or something. That's what that light is. So, and then it starts having airs on the dash, which, as far as I can remember, it's always had those ever since I've run this tractor. MXMs were not the best tractors. I'm a John Deere guy, but I like red tractors, but I like the good ones, which was the MX, just the MX series with the 5.9 in them. Anything newer than that, I kind of shy away from them. But it works. It does the job for what we ask it to. Wouldn't be my first choice again. Wouldn't be my first choice of a tractor if I was buying one. Anyways, hope you liked the video. Bye.